Tried taking video, but I took a picture. Anyway, YouTube, sadly, it is raining in the middle of summer, and I'm afraid this is our last year on Earth for our religious beliefs. Nah, just kidding. The world's not ending. No one can know when the world's ending. I just saw my friend drive by, and he's not in his garage right there. His mom was driving by, but I don't know. So you can see those little droplets everywhere. No, I did not go around spraying all this with the water bottle. And it's cloudy outside, as you can see. And that's my neighbor. Oh, crap. It's just really humid. When it gets humid, it's like it rains. It's hot, and then it's like liquidy outside. Oh, there he is. Just getting mail. But anyway, it's cloudy outside, and I have raindrops all over my camera. I will show you. Wait. I can't show you. Anyway. So yeah. It is raining in California, Central California. Actually, we're in the very, very, very middle.
Yeah, what the hell?
Very middle of California.
Yeah, and it is 2 degrees, so...
Not really. It's like maybe 95 or 100. Yeah, it's hot outside.
100.
Yeah.
It's 100, dude.
That's why it's humid.
Huh?
That's why it's humid. Anyway, YouTube, I just wanted to capture a video before I did my homework. I'm gonna go inside and do my homework right now. So.
I already did my homework. I just barely finished.
Alright, well, it's starting to rain pretty hard now. Bye.